good morning students. I'm Nicole Ramis, your teacher for today. So before we start, we are having a fun games to enhance your thinking skills. So we are going to play identify the method. So we are going to choose which is the best answer. So first is, which one is harmful? Okay, that's correct. Okay, so next is we have to choose which is not harmful. Okay, that's correct. And next is choose the which is harmful. Okay, that's correct. Thank you for answer. So before we start our discussion, we are having an objectives. Our objective is, at the end of our lesson, the learner should be able to understand the concept of the pest control. Second is determine the need for pest control. And the last is investigate and evaluate pest control methods. So what is pest control? So pest control refers to the regulation or management of a species defined as a pest. So pest control is the process of managing or eliminating unwanted insects, animals, or other organisms that may harm people, insects, animals, or a property. So anyone who knows why we need to control pests? So first is for clean environment. So controlling pests is to prevent waste and infestations. So second is disease-free environment. So pests often carries disease, so managing them may reduce the risk of spreading. To stop the rapid growth of pests, so uncontrolled pests reduce quickly spreading, so it leads to more damaging or infestations. So in pest controls, we have a control method. So we need to determine, first is what attracts the pest. Second is what are the particular habit of the pest. And third is what are the most effective control measures to control the pests. So in pest control, there are mainly 5 methods. So first is mechanical method, second, biological method, environmental methods, agricultural methods, and last is chemical methods. So in mechanical methods, they use physical barriers or tools like traps, nets, hand picking to remove or block pests. Chemical methods, they introduce natural predators, parasites, or pathogens to control pest populations. Environmental methods, so they modify environmental conditions like removing breeding grounds or reducing moisture to make less favorable for pests. So sometimes they use natural remedies like vinegar, salt, and water. Agriculture methods, they use crop rotations, intercropping, or resistant crop variations to prevent or reduce pest infestations. So, and last, chemical methods, they apply pesticides or chemical to kill or repel pests effectively. So before we ended our discussion, I'm gonna give you an assignment. So that's all. Thank you.